holla at the DJ. Come on, DJ, put the record on the replay. Don't you see how I'm bitching with a booty? Every time you play this record, smell like gas. Follow them.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you guys for watching. If I'm not really like moving a lot in my face, it's because like I haven't moisturized my face yet, because I don't like to put moisturizer on before I lay down my frontal because of the oil and all of that. It's basically going to be a quick get ready with me, how I lay down my frontal and how I do that clip in kind of style hair. If you don't see it in the thumbnail, you would have seen it on my Snapchat or on my Instagram or on my Twitter. A lot of you requested that I do like a mini get ready with me on how I do that and also how I lay down my frontal. Just a disclaimer, I am not a hairdresser, neither am I a makeup artist. So how I do my hair and how I lay down my frontal is just what kind of works best for me. I was really never going to do this video because, like I said, I'm not a hairdresser. I don't have any special techniques, and they are like 1,001 videos, more than 1,001 videos on YouTube on how to lay down your frontal that are better videos than I will probably ever do. But since you guys asked for it, I might as well. So how I lay down my frontal, I always use Got to Be spray. The Got to Be blasting freeze spray. I don't use the gel. I don't use Ghost Bond, Ghost Glue, whatever it's called, although I want to try it. I think I'm going to need to pick it up for Croatia because water, the heat, like my mouth is really dry, I'm so sorry guys. But yeah, to glue it down, I just use the Got to Be blasting freeze spray, and then I use a hairdryer, and that is literally how I glue it down. I just put a clip there just to get the hair out of the way, because I find that some of the times a lot of the little hairs at the front like to fly to the front, and then when I'm sticking it down they get stuck down too and just sometimes can look a little weird. And then I literally just go in and spray it. I always start from the middle. I don't start from the end, because if it's from the middle, if it's wrong, too long, not too long, I can like adjust it and like start again or kind of slightly move it. Whereas if I start from the end and then I stick it down and go all the way round, then if this side is longer or just looks weird, like I'd have to take the whole thing off. I literally just spray it like this. I get my hairdryer and I just go over it, so then that way the spray kind of becomes gluey and tacky, and then that way you can just stick the hair down like so. Make sure that it's center. Then now I'm gonna take my hairdryer and then just go over it again, and that is to finally stick it down. Word to the wise, don't do what I'm doing and just spray the spray anyhow, because then it gets in the front of the hair and it just looks like you're trying to just glue down the whole hair. Don't do that. So maybe there should be like a how not to lay down your frontal video, probably. This little flappy bit, I do not know what it's called, but yeah, I don't glue that down until I've finished my makeup. And it is done. Now that I've done that, I'm just gonna go in with like a baby wipe or just like a normal wipe that you can use for your face, and I'm just gonna wipe round the edges where there's been like excess Got to Be spray, because then it leaves this really weird white or sometimes transparent like residue on your face and it just looks weird. In Superdrug, I think they sell this for $4.99 or $3.99, but in B&M they sell this for $2.99. If you want to get your got to be cheaper, then yeah, B&M.
Holla at the DJ. Come on, DJ, put the record on the replay. Don't you see how them bitches move their booty? Every time you play this record, smell like gas. Follow them, screaming like a groupie. Misdemeanor on my knee, like a hoochie. For them haters, for whatever you say. Because you know I'm too cool for you anyway. I'm just a bad bitch, M.I.S. miss. I'ma keep talking ish till you get this. I'ma bust up in the club with no guest list. Them other artists, I keep them all restless. I don't French kiss unless it's 50 Cent. Vivica, we can share them like the president. Tabloids, I don't care, it's irrelevant. I'm heaven sent, now watch how I do this shit. Oh,
I'm really, really hot. Every time my records drop, radio says I won't stop, cause I'm killing them. I'm really, really hot. Every time my records drop, radio says I won't stop, cause I'm killing them. You don't know what you're talking about. You would think I was shook when I come out. My album hit hard when I roll out. Y'all records make them stay, wanna throw them out, and that's no doubt. See, I rock bells, fly as hell and cool and different tales. Baby, can't you tell? I lick my lips like a male L. And I'm doing it and doing it and doing it well. Straight to the hotel. I'm celibate, so boy, you get no tell. Kiss, kiss, and still you get nowhere. Just two blue dogs under your underwear. I play unfair. I'm a hot gal. Hot cars and stars and strip bars. It ain't hot if I'm not there. I'm a true player. You can find me up in any record store. Hurry up and get chill. I'm really, really hot. Every time my records drop, radio says I won't stop, cause I'm killing them. I'm really, really hot. Every time my records drop, radio says I won't stop, cause I'm killing them. Look, let me move to the left. Go ahead, let me feel myself. Touch my chest, my sweat. Show the DJs how I shake my breasts. Jiggle, jiggle, jangle. Watch how my gluteus dangle. I do a 1-2 step. Stop! No, I ain't done yet. Everybody in the club go to work. Tight jeans, crop shirt, short skirts. I'ma rock to the beat till it hurt. I'ma drop it on the street, yeah, you heard. Haters, I flip the bird. Got guns, so what? I ain't scared. I came to boogie and swerve. Hangline, folk, that's my word. I'm really, really hot. Every time my records drop, radio says I won't stop, cause I'm killing them. I'm really, really hot. Every time my records drop, radio says I won't stop, cause I'm killing them. Misdemeanor on my knee, like a hoochie. For them haters, for whatever you say. Because you know I'm too cool for you anyway. I'm just a bad bitch, M.I.S. miss. I'ma keep talking ish till you get this. I'ma bust up in the club with no guest list. Them other artists, I keep them all restless. I don't French kiss unless it's 50 Cent. Vivica, we can share them like the president. Tabloids, I don't care, it's irrelevant. I'm heaven sent, now watch how I do this shit. Oh, I'm really, really hot. Every time my records drop, radio says I won't stop, cause I'm killing them. I'm really, really hot. Every time my records drop, radio says I won't stop, cause I'm killing them. You don't know what you're talking about. You would think I was shook when I come out. My album hit hard when I roll out.
I'm just gonna go and do the rest of my frontal. I've just sprayed some got to be on the little tail bits, I don't know what to call them, and then I'm gonna glue them down.
Make them stay, wanna throw them out, and that's no doubt. See, I rock bells, fly as hell and cool and different tales. Baby, can't you tell? I lick my lips like a male L. And I'm doing it.
And then I'm just gonna go and do that on the other side.
Doing it and doing it well. Straight to the hotel. I'm celibate, so boy, you get no tell. Kiss, kiss, and still you get nowhere. Just two blue dogs under your underwear. I play unfair. I'm a hot gal. Hot cars and stars and strip bars. It ain't hot if I'm not there. I'm a true player. You can find me up in any record store.
And that is just how I lay down my frontal. Now I'm gonna go in and do the rest of my hair and show you how I do that pin method. I don't know, like clip method, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to take a comb, straighteners, and some heat protectant spray. I cannot be bothered to straighten it track by track. Not today. Some other day, just not today. Okay guys, so now I've straightened the hair. I'm gonna go in with the clips and just show you guys what I do. It's really easy, really simple. Like, there's really not much to it. I'm gonna take the clips, pins, whatever you want to call them, and I'm just gonna go in and do it one by one. I'm gonna first start from the top.
I'm really, really hot. Every time my records drop, radio says I won't stop, cause I'm killing them. I'm really, really hot. Every time my records drop, radio says I won't stop, cause I'm killing them. Look, let me move to.
And voila. This is something like what it is supposed to look like. Like so. I think I put too many because I didn't put this many last time. I'm just gonna go in and do the other side.
The left, go ahead, let me feel myself. Touch my chest, my sweat. Show the DJs how I shake my breasts. Jiggle, jiggle, jangle. Watch how my gluteus dangle. I do a 1-2 step. Stop! No, I ain't done yet. Everybody in the club go to work.
I've done the other side, and this is what it basically is supposed to look like so. Like I said, I'm not a professional, not a hairdresser, so I've probably totally done this the wrong way, but this is basically what I do.
Tight jeans, crop shirt, short skirts. I'ma rock to the beat till it hurt. I'ma drop it on the street, yeah, you heard. Haters, I flip the bird.
Again, guys, thank you for all the love, the support. We recently hit 7K subscribers, and now we're like at 7,500. So y'all just keep on coming, and I love it. It just really just honestly means the world to me. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye.
Cause I'm killing them. You don't know what you're talking about. You would think I was sure when I come out. My album hit hard when I roll out. Y'all records make them stay wanna throw them out, and that's no doubt. See, I rock bells, fly as hell and cool and different tales. Baby, can't you tell? I lick my lips like a male L. And I'm doing it and doing it and doing it well. Straight to the hotel. I'm celibate, so boy, you gets no tell. Kiss, kiss, and still